Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 BMW R1250RT. This beautiful sport tour just arrived with only 1,986 miles on the odometer. Showroom condition, beautiful satin white finish. This is the Select Package, equipped with a factory alarm, comfort package. It's got the multiple modes for the driving, ABS brakes, traction control, heated grips, heated seat. This thing is gorgeous. Come on by, make your BMW sport touring dreams come true for just $21,999. That's saves you thousands over the price of new. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.